Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a hot minute since I've done a video, but I promise there's an explanation. And if you wait till the end, there might even be a surprise in store for you. So without boring you with all the details, I will cut to the chase. So I found in October that I was pregnant with my third child. My husband and I have two sons already, 3 and a year and a half old, and now we are having a daughter that is due July 4th. So with that being said, I'm sure that you can imagine how tiring it is with 2 boys alone, let alone also being pregnant on top of that. So I just kind of needed a break and to relax at any free second that I could. But now I'm ready and I'm geared up to get back into doing videos. And now that I bored you out with all that, let's get right into the video. Please make sure you subscribe to this channel and give it a thumbs up, as well as push that notification bell. That way you know every time I upload a video. And let's just get into this. So I was traveling through Walmart the other day doing the weekly food shopping, and I came across these Walmart Beauty Favorites. So it seemed to be that there was 5 of them total, and I picked up the Latest in Lips one and the Time for Eyes one. There were also 2 other boxes for hair care, and then there was one also for, I think it was called Glow Up or something along those lines. So these retail for $9.88 in the store, and you get about 6 products in each box. I did create this look using these 2 boxes. I'm going to go over each product and kind of give my thoughts on if I thought it was worth it or not. In the Time for Eyes box, you get an e.l.f. Essential Brow Wax Pencil, the L'Oreal Lash Paradise Mascara that everybody loves, Maybelline Lasting Drama Eyeliner, Kiss Lash Couture Eyelashes, and CoverGirl True Naked Shadow Palette. So as far as the eyes go, I took this very light cream shade and put that all over the lid. And then I took this light beige right there and I went into my crease. I then tried to take this darker brown shade from the Almay palette, and I just wasn't getting the payoff that I wanted to. So I did go back into the CoverGirl palette and I used this really dark brown and put that in my outer corner. For the inner part of the lid, I did this light pink kind of shimmer that's in the CoverGirl palette as well. I then lined my eyes with the Maybelline Lasting Drama, coated my eyelashes with Lash Paradise, then threw on the Couture lashes. I'd already filled in my brows, so I just used the brow wax to kind of give my brows a little bit of a fluff that I like to them. The lips, I went in, of course, and I started with the Lip Exfoliator by e.l.f. And then I tried on each different shade to see which one I liked the best. I really like the fact that they were all kind of nude shades, because obviously that goes with anything for any day. So the first shade was the Revlon Kiss Plumping Lip Cream in the shade Peony Buff 530. Then we have the Plumping Serum by Hard Candy in the shade Sugar Sugar. Next we have the Maybelline Super Stay Matte Ink, and that is in the shade Lover. Next is the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Gloss in the shade Statement Nude. Then we have the Melania Amore Matte Lip Cream in the shade Adorable.
Alright guys, so apparently my toddler thought it would be funny to take my camera and push all of the buttons that he could, so my outro was deleted. But long story short, I think both of these boxes are definitely worth the money. The only thing in the eye box that I was kind of iffy on was the Almay eyeshadow palette. So now on to that surprise. I figured since I have been absent from YouTube for a little bit, I might as well come back with a bang. One lucky subscriber will win the lipstick box. All you have to do is subscribe to my channel and leave a comment down below on which shade you are most excited to use. The winner for the giveaway will be announced on May 22nd. Alright, well that about wraps it up. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!